Here's how you're going to view and optimize the mobile view of your website. So first is to choose the website that you want to edit or you want to optimize. Just click on edit site. Once you're in your website editor, just scroll if you love the design and then click on this switch to mobile icon right here at the top. And then once you click on that, you will be able to see mobile view of your website. Click on let's go. Here, Wix is going to offer you several options that you want to incorporate to your mobile view. And this is basically the optimization of the mobile view of your website. So first, we're going to customize our header. How do we want it to look like when the visitors scroll? So first is, do we want to scroll with page, or once the audience scrolls, it won't be visible anymore? Or do you want it to disappear once the visitors scroll? You also have the option to fade out and then fixed. When you choose fixed, it means it's not going to move once the visitors scroll. So for this one, I'm just going to choose fade out and then click on next. And then you also have the option to have your quick actions, which is these ones. You can have it floating, you can have it on the bottom, or you can also choose not to, put an action bar, but I prefer floating if you want to give your visitors an option to easily contact you. And then click on next. After that, you also add back to top button, which means that when the visitors click on this, they're going to be back on top, right at the beginning of your page. If you want to make it easier for them to scroll up, go back to the main point of your website, then just click on yes. And then next. Now we can go to mobile editor. Here, if you have further editing that you want to incorporate in your website, then just do so. It's basically just the same with the desktop. The only difference is that it is so much smaller. So if there are elements in your website that aren't seen or that doesn't look good on the mobile version, you can just edit it. For example, this latest post text right here, it's too close to this section. So what I'm going to do is to just move it around here. And then this one, I'm going to center it just a bit. And then this video showcase as well. The texts and the elements tends to move a lot because the sizing is quite different. And then yeah, you can see I have this back to top button. Maybe let's just center this bit a little. When it comes to optimization of your website or the mobile view of your website, just take note that everything here is scaled so much smaller, so you will have to do a lot of adjustments or maybe some resizing of your texts. But other than that, you don't really have to do anything else. And if you think that you're quite satisfied with how it looks like, you can click on preview before publishing to make sure that there are no mistakes, there are no typos, or that you love how it looks like. And here is your quick controls. Just hit on publish and your mobile website will be published.